There are times when a massive prune should go to the extreme, to the point where you should just take out the tomato plant and start over. And if you don't like what's coming off, even though it's a pretty color, oh, it's gnarly. This is like Halloween tomatoes. I just don't know that this is worth allocating the space anymore. And you can see it's pushing out the okra. The amaranth over there is growing away from it. And there's other things that we actually do like eating. And we have another round of tomatoes coming out that we're super excited to try a few different kinds. Uh-oh. No. But I see tomatoes there. This poses a problem when the birds don't even like your tomatoes. Fun fact, I have a breach in my bird netting right here. So clearly the birds have access to this, and they've taken out what's left of our sun gold tomatoes. I wasn't aware of this problem, but when they don't even eat the patio tomatoes, despite the fact that these have been pretty prolific, they just don't taste very good. And when the birds agree, it's time for this to go. That space. There are certainly varying degrees of pruning. Removing them entirely, taking off the suckers, taking off dead growth to make way for surrounding plants while getting the rest of the remaining tomatoes, and doing a hardcore cutback to entirely reset tomatoes for a new season. If you are interested in doing a reset for a second harvest, check out this video right here. I share what to look for, and I share the results after a couple months. Just remember, if you do like a tomato plant but you want to take it out, cut first and look for tomatoes later. Thanks for watching.